friends, welcome back to our channel Uttarakhand Wale. So friends, today we will discuss about a very intelligent, cute, lovable dog breed whose name is Labrador Retriever. Friends, do you know Labrador Retrievers' alternate names are Lab and Labrador? The warm and intelligent Labrador Retriever is America's #1 breed registered with the American Kennel Club. Even a non-dog people can recognize a lab. And artists and photographers have captured their image countless times, usually as a loyal champion waiting patiently by their owner's side. Built for sport, the Labrador is muscular and athletic. They have short, easy care coat, friendly nature, intelligence, and plenty of energy. Devotion to this breed runs deep, and Labs are loving people originated dogs who live to serve their families and owners. Fans sometimes liken their Labs to angel. The breed originated on the island of Newfoundland of the northeast Atlantic coast of Canada, originally called the St. John's dog after the capital city of Newfoundland. They were bred to help the local fishermen hauling net, fetching ropes, and retrieving fish that had escaped the nets, as well as to be a family dog. Today, most Labs skip the hard Labrador and spend their days being pampered and loved by people. However, some Labs still serve as indispensable working dog. The Lab's sweet nature makes them an excellent therapy dog, visiting homes for the elderly and hospitals, and their intelligence make them an ideal assistant dog for those with disabilities. They also excel as a search and a rescue dog for as a retriever for hunters, thanks to their athletic build, strong nose, and a courage nature. And Labs have also become the breed to beat at dog sports such as agility and obedience competition, especially obedience. Their one dog job that Labs are hopeless at watchdog. In fact, owners say their sweet, helpful Lab is likely to greet an intruder and happily show them where the goods are stashed. Labrador Retriever have proven their useful and versatility throughout the breed history, easily shifting from fisherman's companion to field retriever to show dog to modern working dog. One role has remained constant, wonderful and companion and friendly. Labs have such a good reputation that many people think they don't need to bother with training, but Labs are large, energetic animals, and like all dogs, they need to be taught good canine manners. Sign up for puppy and obedience classes as soon as you bring your Lab home. Many people think of Lab as a hyperactive breed. Lab puppies are definitely living, but mostly will slow down a bit as they grow up. However, they usually remain very active throughout their lives. Labrador Retriever are not known to be escape artists, but with the right motivation, such as a whiff of something yummy, a Lab will take off. Make sure your Lab has current identification tag and a micro. Okay, so friend, let me tell you some facts about Labrador. So, okay friends, now let's start. Number one, Labrador have webbed toes and are therefore great swimmer. This webbing can also effectively act as a snowshoe in colder climates, as it keeps snow from collecting between their toes. Their coat has two layers: a short, thick top coat and relatively water resistant undercoat. This two layers coat protect them from cold and wet weather. Number two, they are the most commonly used breed for guide dogs. They are intelligent, easy to train, is eager to please, and have a gentle temperament. Number four, Labrador are the most popular dog breed in America and UK. Number 5, this breed loves to be around people and needs a lot of affection as well as plenty of exercise to burn off all the energy. Number Labrador have working roles in sort of sectors including search and rescue, therapy, hunting, assisting the disabled and tracking. Number 7. The PDSA Gold Medal and Animal Bravery Award was awarded to Labrador named Andal in 2002. Andal's disabled owner well conscious, so he pulled him into the recovery position covered with a blanket, retrieved his mobile and went to get help once his owner had regained consequences. Number 7. You can potentially get puppy of all colors, black, yellow, chocolate color and white in the same litter. Number 8. The average lifespan of a Labrador is 10 to 12 years. Number 9. Their speed limit is 20 to 30 miles per hour. 10. Undoubtedly, Labradors are very fit and athletic dog. This also show them to run up to 20 to 30 miles per hour with proper exercise and physical training. Labrador can easily reach a top running speed of 30 miles